Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Do you remember that saying that says nobody comes back from a journey the same way they started it? Well, it's true. Especially after seeing the Philippines, there's no way you can come back the same. Don't believe me? Well, let me show you why. Philippines is gorgeous, has so many places that in my opinion are the best for snorkel, diving and have fun with the entire family. You will find nice resorts and places to stay, but there is also something I have to talk about in this video: food. And today we are gonna make Filipino style chicken adobo, and I know you are gonna love it, so stay with me. To make this Filipino style chicken adobo, you will need, of course, chicken, garlic, bay leaves, and soy sauce to make a marinade. We are gonna make the marinade for this chicken and leave it there from 20 minutes up to an hour. After that, take it out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature, and in the meanwhile, get ready a pan with some oil. Let it become hot and sear your chicken because we want to ensure all the juices to stay inside. After you sear the chicken, take the chicken out, and in the same pan, you add a little bit of oil, garlic, onion, brown sugar, and water. Add the chicken back, and to this you add the leftover marinade and let it simmer from 15 to 20 minutes. Until your chicken is perfectly cooked and the sauce is thickened and sticky and delicious. So now it's time for you to enjoy it. Thank you guys for being one more time with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this video, please, as always, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.